Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the shop option on Duolingo, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Duolingo app and after that, at the bottom of the screen, you can see the fifth icon is a gem. So it says that you can buy streak freeze, which is to protect your streak if you miss a day of practice and keep up to two at once. After that, the double or nothing. Double your 50 gem wager by maintaining a 7-day streak. And here you can buy gems. You can see that the price as well. For me, it's right now it's RON, but if you are in another country, it will appear at your local currency. And there is the hearts, the ultimate hearts, never run out of hearts with Duolingo Plus, and you can try for there is a free trial, sorry, and the heart refill, get full heart so you can worry less about making mistakes in a lesson. And after that there is these outfits, the formal attire, luxury tracksuit and super duo, and you can see the prices like 400 gems, 600 gems and 1000 gems. So this is the Duolingo shop. I hope this video was helpful for you and see you in the next one. Bye bye.